welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. It's always great to have you here today and for you to join us in celebrating the fantastic things the children have done this week. So, remember that our challenge this week was ways to celebrate Queen Elizabeth's official birthday, which is on Saturday, the 13th of June. The children have come up with some absolutely brilliant ideas. Also, what I would like to share with you is the continued challenge of 30 Days Wild and the fantastic things that everyone has been doing with that as well. So sit back, relax, and have a look at all the things the children of Newlands have done this week. As always, I'm so proud of the children of Newlands, and thank you parents and carers who have been supporting the children in this time and getting them to do these things. I know that the children are absolutely loving it. Now, it's time for our awards. Going for gold. Are we ready?
In Chester class, we have Oscar for the Gold Award for his amazing effort all week.
In Oxford class, we have Julia. She receives this award for continuing to use the Times Table Rock Stores consistently. In Cambridge class, we have Vernice. This is for completing all of her home learning activities to a very high standard. In Edinburgh class, we have Lotta Lou. This is for her perseverance with her work and getting on well with her home learning. In Cardiff 1, we have Daniels. Daniels receives this award because he has been working really hard over the last few weeks and really doing some great work. Well done. In Cardiff 2, we have Chloe. Chloe gets this award for helping to make breakfast at home and doing jobs to help her mom around the house. In Liverpool class, we have 2 people. The first one is Rosie. Rosie receives this award for being such a good help to her mom and for and her new baby brother, Cooper. Well done, Rosie, and congratulations to the family. The second person is Zach. Zach received his award for a wonderful cake that he made for the Queen. In Hall 1, we have Ieva for her amazing hula hoop work. And we have Casper for listening to this week's story, Farmer Duck, and writing some super sentences. In Hall 2, we have Isabel, Maria, and Amelia. Wow! This is for accessing number bots and to explore the new maths games. Well done, girls. In York class, we have Susanna. This is for her activating number bots account and already completing lots of the games. Excellent. In Lee's class, we have Anna. This is for her super phonics work and her role playing with a homemade pirate ship and rainbow pirate. Wow, I bet you that was fun. Miss Brennan was telling me that all the children in early years, the nursery and reception, have really enjoyed Pirate Week this week, and everyone is looking forward to what the theme of the week is going to be next week. Exciting. Well done, all of these children who got the Going for Gold Awards. Excellent. Big thumbs up. Now we have the Year of Respect Awards.
In Chester class, we have Jake D for the Respect Award for showing amazing courage and resilience.
In Oxford class, we have William for taking responsibility for his own learning and going the extra mile. Well done, William. That's really important, particularly when you're going to be in secondary next year. In Cambridge class, we have Christians, and this is for showing respect for himself through a much improved attitude to learning tasks. Excellent, Christians. Very proud of you. In Edinburgh class, we have George. This is for his growing independence and maturity with his home learning, and he has made us all very proud. Well done, George. In Cardiff 1, we have Keely. Kaylee gets this award because she has been helping out at home with her mom, gardening and helping in the kitchen. In Cardiff 2, we have Zane for working hard on Times Table Rock Stores and managing to beat his own record. Well done. I bet you were proud of that, Zane. In Liverpool, we have Eric. This is for always being so thoughtful and kind. He's always asking about everyone and helping us all to be safe. In Hall 1, we have Jacob B. This is for his cheerful hello this week when he spoke to Miss Jackson. It really made her have a big smile. In Hall 2, we have Ruby Ann. This is for her playing games and spending time with her sister. In York, we have Ashton. This is for helping to look after his baby bunnies while at home. And in Leeds, we have Esme. This is for good listening when they were out on a bike ride with the family. What another great, fantastic group of children we've had awarded today. Well done. Big claps to all of you. Well, it's the end of another week, and I am so proud of all of you for the hard work that you've continued to put in. The teachers are really enjoying seeing your work when you email it to them, and I'm loving seeing the work when you put it on Twitter. And I know the teachers are loving also that they get to speak to you on the phone. So until next week on Monday and a new challenge, have a good weekend. Bye.